Onions for eyelash. Why is that? Hey, hello people. You are live on the Bright Future Stars TV with your special host Mario and our special guest Jerome. Yes, and you know we are in the month of February, which is also Black History Month. And you know, this video is a special video for that month, even though it's the end of the month. So anyways, we all know what Black History Month is about. It's about, you know, celebrating our ancestors, our old black history and thing. But on a serious note, some of these people are taking the Black History Month too serious. I mean, like, some... Relax, my youth. So, I was saying now, there are some girls out there, man. They be wearing these short up tights and, like, seriously. Do you girls have a mirror? I mean, these girls do not have nice legs.
They look
When
ugly.
I know that when you look at them and they're walking down the street, the only thing you see is that black spot on their bottom. Right below their bottom there. The part where the tights or shorts or whatever, it doesn't cover. You know what, when I see that, what I think? I think that is black like some burn up dumpling. Yes, your bottom right there at your leg look like a burned up dumpling. Right, those people who cannot cook. So stop it. You do not look good. No. You people, when you are trying styles, you should do what fits you. If you do not have beautiful legs, do not wear short tights. Don't do it. You know, there's another thing that these young ladies don't take serious. I mean, like, you have these girls that they say they putting on makeup and they going out, but the makeup is okay. But when you look at their eyelash, it's like some big onions. I mean, like,
So skittle.
I know, right, my brother? Onions for eyelash. Why is that? Is it that, I mean, you are afraid of the sun and you don't have an umbrella, so those eyelashes like shielding you from the sun? That must be the reason, right, my brother?
Yes.
Because there's no way you can tell me that you deliberately wear those big awning eyelashes. No, 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 no.
And their eyes is so big.
I know, right? They look like some big old, I don't know what to say. Some monkeys. No, no, no. I think monkeys are cuter because monkeys don't have long eyelashes. But you ladies do not look good. You need to stop it. Stop it, oh. The only thing those eyelashes are good for is like, if I have been in a room now and like I am hot, I know that those eyelashes can fan me. So if I'm hot, I just call some abused ladies to come over and just say, you know, baby girl, you look cute when you squint your eyes. And every time you squint your eyes, it's like a fan. So when she squints her eyes, those big eyelashes like fans, they fanning me. And I feel hot no more. You see what I'm saying, my brother?
Yes.
So that is the only thing your eyelash is good for. It is good to be fans. Or maybe you like just having them as onions, shielding your face from the sun.
And some girl, now, them a color their hair and they not fit them
I
sometimes.
know, right? Like some of these ladies do, these old women, they have white hair, natural white hair. And it is part of age. When you're getting older, your hair is supposed to be white. But now, these old women, they
I've tried to put on wig and they not fit them.
I know, right? And some of them even
Cry.
dye their ear. And when they dye their ear, it's like from behind, the head looks so long, smooth, and silky. When they turn around, it's like a monster from a horror show. Because there's no way you could think that you look good. A old wrinkled up face and smooth, silky black hair. Hell no, 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 no. Stop it, oh. Stop it, old people. Wear your normal color hair. Your hair is white, leave it that way. You do not look good. The next thing now, I mean, our ancestors are black. And I love being black. You know, black is a beautiful color. Black means strength. And I mean, like, these black ladies nowadays, they changing their complexion.
Yeah, try bleaching and then it look good.
I know, right?
And
It's
some of
like,
them are trying to put on tattoo.
yeah, and some of them don't even know to bleach because their face may be white, but their head back is black like the pot. Yes, man. You know, no, no, those pots. You buy the pot them and they're like aluminum. They're so smooth and clean, but when you fry and fry and fry, they get black. So their face will be white like the newborn pot. But as soon as the pot is starting to use very popularly, it gets black, 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 black because it's burned up. So that's how their head back is soon. While some of them know, they bleach only the parts of the skin where it's showing through the clothes. And when they take off the clothes, it's like a two color. I don't know if it's some style. I mean, like, they take off their clothes and the linings of their brassiere is like black. So up here is white, and when the rest of the breast is black. How does that look? Right here
Cranny.
at your face is white, to your neck may be white. But when you do like this, here is black. Because over here is cover up. I mean, like, is there something wrong with your eyes? Do you really not know how to bleach? If you're gonna bleach, then bleach all of your skin. Do not bleach your face alone, or only the parts that are seen regular. Because which man is going to take off your clothes and see two colors and
But
still sleep with two?
you know, be keeping a right complexion and stay black because black is beauty.
I know, my brother, that is so true, my brother. So true. And even the next thing, when on a intellectual level, when you bleach in your skin, what happens when you run out of money and you have no more money to buy bleaching cream? You know what happens to that skin? Your skins get blacker than before. Yes, man. It's like you just walk into the fire and your skin get burned up. You get blacker. Yes, man. So stop the bleaching, oh. Stop it. You destroying the pigment of your skin. Love the black. We're in Black History Month. You should love your black. Black. Our ancestors are black. We are black. I love my black skin. Stop the bleaching, oh. Stop it. Black lipstick and black eyeliner. What do you think about that?
Mess. Like some skittle old skittle when have no sense. They
I
not
know,
do
right? Big black lips and black over the eyes. I mean, like, when you were dressing yourself, did you like um turn the mirror back way to decide that you cannot see yourself? I don't know. Maybe that is what you do. No, colored hair do not fit you. You are old. Stay old. Do not change the color of your hair. These old people are taking this thing too far. If you are old, you need to stay old. Look old. Do not change to try and look cute. Because some of these old people now, they nowadays they're wearing some tights with the old wrinkled up leg. What looks sexy about that? You scaring them. And you young ladies, stop trying to look like old women. You're putting on them long hanging eyelashes. So here we are at the end of Black History Month. And I want you to change, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Dream it, believe it, make it real.